Fallout 4 players on PS5 and PS4 have been facing an annoying issue where the game keeps crashing on their consoles. Every time they start the game, they experience weird visuals and even experience a sudden crash. But before we go further, if this video helps, please consider subscribing because we're trying to hit 1,000 subscribers this year. Okay, getting back to the point, the crashes are currently being caused due to the DLCs that players have installed on their console. The base game works just fine, but whenever players install a DLC, they experience severe crashing issues that make the game completely unplayable. According to some, the Automatron and the Wasteland Workshop DLC are the key causes of this problem. Fortunately, the developers are aware of this issue at hand and have confirmed that this bug will be fixed in the next update. This patch is supposed to release on 25th April. Until then, there is a way to keep playing the game without facing the crashes. It seems that uninstalling the game and then reinstalling only the base version of Fallout 4 can fix the crashing issue. We hope the developers fix this problem as soon as possible so players can go back to playing their favorite DLCs. If this video was helpful, please consider subscribing as it motivates us to continue making such content. Thank you for watching.